Right, well, good morning, grade 11s. I've got this thermometer here. I want to do a little experiment. Hard for it to focus on that. Let's put it a little farther away. You can see that there's a red liquid in there, and it's reading, well, you can't really see it, but anyway, it's reading around 21 degrees Celsius. I've also got this that I borrowed from the St. Matt's weight room during the pandemic, so I can have some exercise equipment at home. It's 2.3 kilograms. And I have 4 cups of water poured into this plastic container, and you can see it's hot. I poured it. I didn't heat it in there. I just poured it out of a pot of hot water. Okay, and what I'm going to do is mix the two things together. But before I do that, I'm going to get the initial temperature of the water just by sticking the thermometer in. I don't know how well you can see that. That red. Whoops. Okay, that red. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so you can see it's up at around 64 degrees Celsius. I'm just going to stir it. Yeah, leveling off at 64 degrees Celsius. Okay, I'm going to take this and I'm going to immerse it. Okay, so now the two things are mixed together. Now what's going to happen is the iron is going to heat up, or whatever the metal is, okay, whatever that stuff is made out of, I'm assuming iron. The water is going to cool down, okay. And I'm just going to kind of keep the water well mixed, okay, in here. You can see that the temperature is for sure falling. I'll give it a little bit of time. Okay, it's currently at around 59 degrees, so it's already dropped by about 5 degrees Celsius. And what it will do is eventually it's going to cool off with the environment, of course, but first there's a rapid cool down because of the cold iron that was placed in there that was at 21 degrees Celsius. So that cooled down the water. But as you can see, not that much, not even, not quite 10 degrees yet. So just give it another moment or two. It's currently at 65. Or sorry, pardon me, 55. Okay, and once it kind of levels off, it's going to continue to cool down because the air is at room temperature too, so I haven't covered this. I'm not really doing it in a controlled way. Let me stir that middle section too. Well, the middle section is quite a bit colder there. Alright, so I'm going to let it to cool down a little bit more. Let's say it's leveling off somewhere around 51 degrees Celsius. Alright, so we're going to stop the experiment there. I'm going to show you what we can find with this. Okay, so 51 degrees Celsius from 64 degrees Celsius, and we'll remember these numbers and then I'll come back and I'll show you how to do it.